Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We're so happy to see you again and to help you learn English in a fun and simple way.
Today's topic is how to talk about your day in English.
Yes, this is a very useful topic because we talk about our day all the time with friends, classmates, or co-workers.
Exactly. When someone asks, "How was your day?" or "What did you do today?" you need to know how to answer naturally.
So in this lesson, we'll learn how to talk about your daily routine. 15 useful words and phrases, real conversations and mini stories, and lots of speaking practice.
Awesome. Let's get started and learn how to talk about your day in English.
Section 1. Morning Routine. Let's start with the morning, the beginning of your day.
Yes. In English, we often describe what we do in order. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m., I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast.
Simple and clear. Let's go step by step and learn some useful morning vocabulary. Vocabulary. Morning routine. Wake up. To stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 o'clock. She wakes up early every day. What time do you wake up? Get up. To leave your bed. I get up right after I wake up. He doesn't want to get up on weekends. Time to get up. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth every morning and night. Don't forget to brush your teeth. She brushes her teeth after breakfast. Take a shower. I take a shower before school. He likes cold showers in summer. Do you take a shower in the morning or evening? Have breakfast. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. We usually have eggs and toast for breakfast. What do you have for breakfast? That's a great start.
Yes, these are the first things we do in the morning. Let's practice a short morning conversation.
Mini role play number 1. Good morning. Good morning, Emily. What time did you wake up today?
Morning, Paul. I woke up at 7 o'clock. And you?
I woke up at 6:30. I like to get up early and go for a walk.
That's nice. Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had toast and coffee. What about you?
I had eggs and orange juice.
Yum. Sounds delicious.
See? Simple sentences you can use every morning.
Exactly. Short, clear, and perfect for beginners. Section 2. Midday and afternoon.
Now let's talk about what we do in the afternoon, after breakfast.
Yes, maybe you go to school, go to work, or study at home. Vocabulary. Afternoon routine. Go to work/school. I go to work at 9 a.m. She goes to school every day. We go to work by bus. Start work/class. I start work at 9:30. Our class starts at 10 o'clock. When do you start your class? Have lunch. I have lunch at noon. We eat lunch together at school. What do you have for lunch? Finish work/school. I finish work at 5 p.m. She finishes school at 3:30. What time do you finish? Go home. I go home after work. He goes home by train. Let's go home. It's late. Hey, Emily, What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m. How about you?
I start a bit later, around 10.
Lucky you. Do you take the bus to work?
No, I walk. It's only 10 minutes from my house.
That's great. I have to take the train.
Oh, I see. What do you do for lunch?
Sometimes I eat at a small cafe near my office.
Nice. I usually bring my lunch from home.
Smart idea. It saves money. This conversation is a perfect example of talking about your day. Short, friendly, and natural.
Yes, use it when you meet friends or coworkers in the afternoon.
Now let's move to the evening. After work or school,
This is when you relax and spend time with your family or friends. Vocabulary. Evening routine. Cook dinner / have dinner. I cook dinner every night. We have dinner at 7 p.m. What do you have for dinner? Watch TV. I watch TV after dinner. He likes watching movies in the evening. Do you watch TV before bed? Do homework / study. I do my homework after dinner. She studies English every night. Let's study together. Take a shower / bath. I take a shower before bed. He takes a bath to relax. Do you shower in the evening? Go to bed / sleep. I go to bed at 11 p.m. She goes to sleep early. What time do you go to bed?
hey Paul, how was your day?
Pretty good. I finished work at 5, went home, and cooked dinner.
Nice. What did you make?
Just some pasta. What about you?
I studied English after work and watched a movie.
Sounds relaxing. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11, I try to sleep early.
Good idea. Sleep is important.
You see, that's a full day. Morning, afternoon, and evening.
Yes. When you talk about your day, you can just say what you do and when.
Now let's put everything together. Listen to my full day example. I wake up at 7 a.m., I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I have breakfast and go to work at 9. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I finish work at 5 and go home. In the evening, I cook dinner, watch TV, and study English. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
That's perfect, Emily.
Thanks. It's clear, simple, and easy to follow.
Now it's your turn, friends. Try to describe your own day using the same structure.
Okay, now repeat after us.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Pause.
I go to work at 9. Pause.
I have lunch at 1. Pause.
I finish work at 5. Pause.
I go home and cook dinner. Pause.
I go to bed at 11. Pause.
Excellent. You're doing great.
Now let's answer a few questions together.
1. What time do you wake up? 2. Do you eat breakfast every morning? 3. What do you do after work or school? 4. What time do you go to bed?
Try to answer in full sentences.
Okay, friends, let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about our daily routine, what we do in the morning, afternoon, and evening.
We practiced 15 useful verbs and phrases like wake up, brush teeth, go to work, have dinner, and go to bed.
We also listen to real conversations and practice speaking together.
That's right. Talking about your day is one of the easiest and most useful English skills.
Yes, you can use it to start conversations, meet new people, or practice storytelling.
That's all for today's lesson. How to talk about your day in English.
We hope you enjoyed learning with us and practiced along.
If you liked this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Mr. English Learning.
And tell us in the comments, what's your daily routine?
Keep practicing every day. That's how you get better.
See you next time for another fun English lesson.
Bye, everyone.